हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सन्मार्क एजुकेशन यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज से हम लोग स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग की लेक्चर सीरीज। उसके अंदर जो टॉपिक हम लोग पढ़ेंगे वो कुछ इस तरह से है। तो मेन टॉपिक है डीसी सर्किट, मैग्नेटिज्म एंड इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स, कैपेसिटेंस, एसी फंडामेंटल्स, AC series circuit, polyphase circuits, conduction in solid state, diode as a circuit element, transistors। हाँ फ्रेंड्स, डीसी सर्किट के अंदर जो हम लोग सब टॉपिक देखने वाले हैं दैट इज 1.1 एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर, 1.2 इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, लॉ ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस, रेजिस्टिविटी और स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस, देन ओम्स लॉ, देन सीरीज सर्किट्स, डिवीजन ऑफ वोल्टेज इन सीरीज सर्किट, 1.10 effect of temperature on resistance, resistance temperature coefficient, and finally 1.12 effect of temperature on resistivity. In a nutshell, DC circuit chapter is divided into 12 small lectures. तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं।
Hello friends, I Tejas Gandhi from Sanmars Educations. I welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Today I will start the basic electrical engineering subject for all various streams. So let's start the first unit, DC circuit. I will start the first topic is atomic theory. In atomic theory, first start the introductions to atoms. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. What do you mean by matter? Matter, that means in surrounding space or our nearby the object, there are number of particles are present. In either TV, fridge, table, chairs, water, anything, if you take any objects or in surrounding space, the number of particles are present as its own weight and as its own space. So all matter is made up of atoms. All the substances, whether solid, liquid or gases, in solid like TV, either table or chairs, in each solid object the number of particles are present. So they are compact to each other, they are not compressed, they are not changing the space size. While in liquid, example for water, whenever you press the water, then water particles move from one place to other place. That means they are changing the space or size. Similarly, gases. In gases, the number of nitrogen, hydrogen gases are present in surrounding space. So they are easily compressed and they are easily moved from one place to other place. So all the substances, whether solid, liquid or gases, are built up of tiny particles incapable of divisions. That means the in either solid, liquid or gases, the number of tiny particles are present, so incapable of division. These particles are known as atoms. Atom are the basic building blocks of matter. That means the example for the 5-floor buildings, 10-floor buildings, the combination of these 5 floors to make a one building or one complex. Similar like in atomic structure, there are number of particles combining, then it called as a atom matters. They make up everything around us, like your desk, the board, your body, everything is made up of atoms. This atomic theory was originated and was discovered by John Dalton in 1802 or 1803. Matter we have already discussed. In surrounding space or in any object, there are number of particles, has its own weight and has its own space, while molecule is the smallest part of matter, which contains all physical and chemical properties of a matter and as a free existence. While atoms there are in any solid, liquid or gaseous body in which there are atoms are present. So these atoms are divided in two categories: atomic nucleus and electron cell. Atomic nucleus are further classified in two categories: protons and neutrons. And the combinations of these proton and neutrons that called as a nucleus. प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन को मिला के क्या बोलते हैं, हम उसको न्यूक्लियस बोलते हैं. While in electron cell, the electron cell, there are number of electrons are present. Let's see here, there is a structure of atomic theory. You have seen that at the center part of the atomic structure there are number of atoms in which the proton and neutron are present. So the combination of proton and neutron, this atom, are called as a nucleus. While surrounding the nucleus, the number of free electrons are moving in its orbit according to the formula of 2n square. When you are putting the n equal to 1, 2, 3, then the number of electrons are present in each orbit. So like just a sun, and surrounding the sun the number of planets are moving, the like Jupiter, Mars, Earth. Similar like in this atomic structure, surrounding the nucleus the number of free electrons are moving in its orbit. Atoms are made of subatomic particles. There are three types of subatomic particles that will make up our atomic model: protons, neutrons and electrons. We have discussed in nucleus there are two types of atom, protons and neutrons. One of these is protons. Protons is a positive charge particle and they are not move at all, just like a solid type. In solid, the particles are not moving from one place to other place. They are not complex. Similar like the protons. Protons are placed at the center of the nucleus. So that why the number of protons a particular atom contains is determine that atom identity. That means the number of atoms are present in a nucleus, that is determines the number of protons present in the nucleus. वो बोलना यही चाहता है कि दी नंबर ऑफ एटम जितने भी आपके न्यूक्लियस के अंदर पॉजिटिव आयंस और पॉजिटिव चार्ज पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट है, वो इंडिकेट करते हैं कि नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स आपके न्यूक्लियस के अंदर वो है. फॉर एग्जांपल, एन एटम दैट कंटेन जस्ट वन प्रोटॉन इज कॉल्ड हाइड्रोजन. दैट मींस जस्ट ओनली वन प्रोटॉन, just one proton is present, that is called as hydrogen. Similar like the number of 6 atom, that is called as a carbon. Neutron. Neutrons are located in the nucleus. There is one of the another atom which are located in nucleus. This is called as a neutrons. Neutrons are always neutral particle. They are neither positive nor negative charge particle. So that means the neutrons and the protons weight of the nucleus, that is called as a atomic weight of the nucleus. And normally in nucleus there are proton are positive charge particle and neutron is a neutral particle. So that means the nucleus is a positive charge particle. While electrons are negative charge particle which are moving surrounding the nucleus according to the formula 2n square, and they are very lightweight particles compared to the protons and neutron. Its weight around the 2000 times lesser than the protons and neutrons. So that why these electrons are freely move in its orbit just like a liquid or gases. And these electrons are freely move from its orbit whenever just applying some electrical pressures or heat. Then this electron moving from its orbit. So here there are three main atoms: proton, neutron and electrons. On the basis of these atoms, whenever you take any charge body like metal, insulator or semiconductor, in which the number of electron or protons are greater or lesser, deciding this body is metal, insulating or semiconductor. Whenever the number of protons greater than the number of electrons, this body is said to be insulating body. Whenever the number of electrons greater than the number of protons, that is called as a metal body. Okay, so this will be decided the positive charge particle, negative charge particle. So the atomic theory is a very important role in our electricity. On the basic of atomic theory, the electric current flow into the any metal wire or in any conductor using of these electrons and protons. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching, and next time I will discuss on the electric potential and potential difference. Thank you.